The first time this part of Seguin Street was shown on Sanborn fire insurance maps is in 1907. The original lot had several buildings, with one marked as a bowling alley. The new Braunfels Social Club took over the structure in 1910. However, it is unclear who owned it before then. The main activity for the club was duck-pin bowling, but many other social activities were centered here. The club was significantly expanded in 1930 by A.C. Moeller. In the 1960s, the Benevolent Order of the Elks purchased the property for their lodge. The bowling lanes are still intact and even used as a dance floor in the hall. The Elks expanded the facility to include a game room, club room, grand hall with stage, conference room, and a fully equipped commercial kitchen. To meet the needs of a changing culture, the Elks have more renovations planned in the future.